Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you the new presentation menu that's in Google Slides. Google just updated this on Monday, March 15th, and I finally got access to it, so I thought I'd make a quick video on how it works. So first things first, pick any of your existing Google Slides or new Google Slides, and just go to the Present button, just like you normally would. So you can use the presenter view, you can just hit present from beginning, or just hit the big old present option. And we're going to go into the standard presentation view here. Now, you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner, we just have the number 1 for my first slide, and then the option to toggle forward or toggle backwards. Those are my 3 sample slides. You can see I can also just click on that and jump to slide 2 that way. But if I want to take a look at some of the other features that are usually in Google Slides and still are there, just in a different place, well, we still have open speaker notes. We can still turn on the laser pointer and do all kinds of cool stuff with the laser pointer. And we can still use the autoplay and find the loop function, or set other intervals for playing the slides automatically. We can turn on the captions and position our captions at the top or the bottom of the page. We can change our text size for those captions. So let's do extra large. And we're going to have our captions turned on at the bottom. And let's toggle those on. And so now we have our captions right there. And we still have access to all those other tools in here, like, downloading these as a PDF or a PowerPoint file, or even opening up that Q&A so that my audience can ask me questions during my presentation. Go ahead and start that up. And if you're not familiar with this function, your audience now has a URL where they can submit questions to you during your presentation. So those are the new features, or the new menu for presenting in Google Slides. As always, more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.